How to fix screen mirroring not working on iPhone. Let's get started. First of all, verify network connection. Both devices, your iPhone and TV, must be on the same Wi-Fi network. To check that, launch your settings, navigate to the option of Wi-Fi on your phone. Likewise, verify the network on your TV or your AirPlay receiver. Next, restart both devices. Turn it off, wait for a few seconds and turn it back on. Power cycle the TV or the receiver by unplugging it for 30 seconds, then plug it back in. Next, check your AirPlay settings. For your iPhone, open your settings, navigate to the option General, head over to the option AirPlay and Continuity. Make sure you have enabled AirPlay. Likewise, enable for the option of handoff. For your TV as well, go to Settings, AirPlay, and ensure AirPlay is enabled. Next, update software. On your device, go to Settings, General, Software Update, and install the latest version. For the TV or receiver, update your TV's firmware or streaming device software via its settings menu. Likewise, check for restrictions. Ensure screen mirroring is not restricted. For that, go to Settings, navigate to the option Screen Time, go to Content and Privacy Restrictions, disable restrictions or ensure AirPlay is allowed it. Likewise, reset network settings. For your device, go to Settings, General, Transfer or Reset iPhone, Reset, then Reset Network Settings. Applying these solutions, your problem will be fixed. So this is how you can easily fix screen mirroring not working on iPhone. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.